We've got a 3-step cleaning method to make your motorhome or caravan shine again. Step 1, start at the top on the roof. Attach a foamer to your hose and spray the roof with an RV safe cleaner. Use a soft brush to gently scrub away dirt, grime or mould, and then gently rinse away the soap. Step 2, work your way down, washing in sections, sides, back and front, and a soft wash technique is best to protect decals and graphics. And finally, step 3, rinse and protect. Blade the windows for a streak-free finish and then apply a ceramic coating to keep it cleaner for longer. You can read about the other benefits of the ceramic coating in our blog. If you don't want to do it yourself, we can help, and we always start with a quote. Go to our website and either call or email us to request a quote. And you can find more in-depth instructions and tips on motorhome cleaning in our blog. Blast away, guys, keeping your motorhome adventure ready.